Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to Vlogtober. So, funny story, we tried to do this last week and then there was just a slew of things that just went wrong the whole time. We tried to go to Grandads Apples and Such, which is in Hendersonville, which is like a 3-hour drive from us. And we got started on the road a little too late. And then we got stopped by like 2 accidents. So then we tried to go somewhere else, like another farm, and do a little pumpkin patch. Well, then we got there and there was a baby shower, so they were closed. So it wasn't working last week. So we're gonna try again. So round 2. So I have my stuff, most of my stuff packed up. Jess packed up the car because we're gonna take his car. Yeah, so then we're gonna go because we got about like 3.5, 4 hours. So mostly everything is in the car, so I just gotta grab a few more things, grab my cup. Hopefully we have time to stop and get a chai latte. That would be nice. We already did a little quick walk this morning, so let's get going. Starving, so we're stopping at Biscuitville. Give me a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, scrambled. Hank, what'd you get?
Pork chop biscuit.
Is there something in my hair? There it is. I see it. Get out of there, Lint. Anyway, Jesse's amazed at all the peppermint things that are on the menu.
Yeah, they have a Cuban biscuit.
Oh, they have a Cuban biscuit. That does sound good. Why didn't I see that? See, because see, here's what's hard now, because it's so busy. It's a Sunday that, you know, they're kind of trying to copy Chick-fil-A, so they take your order like, you know, right when you basically pull in, so you don't really get to see the menu. But had I seen that Cuban biscuit, I would have got that Cuban biscuit. I hope you can't hear Hank's music, his trash music. I don't want to get copyrighted. I wish you could
get
see
out.
his face. Okay, your music's amazing.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks, Hank. We are finally here. Look at this view. All right, so we're gonna go inside and do some shopping before we get in line. So we got our apples, and now we're gonna see if we want to go stand in line or if maybe we want to walk around. Not sure what we're gonna do. We'll see. Sad, the apples ripened like super fast this year, so they were done like I think middle of October. And usually we come end of October. We still have time to pick them, but here lately, man, apples are doing weird things, so. Oh, I keep hearing the apple cannon. It's either the apple cannon or the pumpkin cannon, but we're gonna go down there and see it, so. So it definitely seems like there are a lot less apples this year, like in the sense of like it seems like there's a lot less trees, because there's usually like just rows and rows and rows of trees, but we don't see many this year, right, Jess?
Yeah.
So who knows? But over here's the corn maze, but I don't know, they still freak me out. Do you like going in the corn maze? Do you want to do it?
No.
Why? You just don't like it? Don't care?
Yeah.
Also, you can kind of see it. There's a cabin over there. You can actually, I keep getting bugs in my head. See, this is why I always tie my hair up, but you can rent the cabin and stay like in the apple orchard. So, but I think they also have peach trees, because these are actually peach trees, and you can see the peach seeds on the ground. So pretty cool. But if you go over here, you can see they started like replanting. It looks like a lot of the trees, so could have been something that got them. That's why they didn't have quite as many trees this year. But we don't know. We're not farmers. We're city kids, so we don't know nothing about that farming. Finally made it through that line, so let's try this. The Mountain Glacier, which is slushy, soft serve ice cream, and then some of their cookie, I think. It's real good. It's pretty amazing. Wanna try it? Y'all, that line there has gotten like ridiculous because I guess people have gotten hip to this place, so that line was insane, yo. So insane. Also got some donuts, so I'll show you those. Alright, so I'm gonna try one of these donuts while they're hot, so. Oh my god. God. But I need to finish my slushy, so we're gonna do that. Alright, so we're gonna try to find something to eat around here. We found a barbecue place called Miss Llewellyn's, right? So, Llewellyn's Barbecue. Oh, you know why? Because we have a lady in our family called Miss Llewellyn, so I keep saying Miss Llewellyn, but Llewellyn's Barbecue. So we're gonna go there, see what they got, because Grandads Apples is closing. So let's go and get some BBQ. Not amazing, but it was still pretty good. Did you like it? Yeah. So now we're gonna head home. I'm probably gonna eat a few donuts on the way home, but it was a good day. I have to say it was a good day. So if you watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.